The wait is over. Samsung's next Ultra is finally here. But is this the ultimate flagship of 2026? Let's unbox it and find out. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is finally here. And if first impressions are anything to go by, Samsung may have just raised the bar again for flagship smartphones. From a refined design to upgraded performance and smarter AI features, this phone is shaping up to be one of the biggest releases of the year. So let's dive into the unboxing and see what makes the S26 Ultra special. Starting with the box, Samsung keeps things clean and minimal, just like previous Ultra models. Inside, you get the phone itself, a USB-C cable, SIM tool, and documentation. No charger in the box again, which isn't surprising at this point, but the focus here is clearly on the device. Taking the phone out for the first time, the S26 Ultra instantly feels premium. Samsung hasn't changed the core Ultra look, but has refined it. The frame looks flatter and more polished. The camera layout still dominates the back, and the finish feels smoother and more modern. The phone is expected to come in multiple colors, including classic black and white, along with newer shades like blue or violet, giving it a fresh flagship feel. Now let's talk about the display, because Samsung almost always leads in this area. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to feature a huge dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-thin bezels, and extremely high brightness levels. Just turning the screen on, you can expect deep blacks, vibrant colors, and incredibly smooth scrolling. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just browsing, this screen looks like it's built to impress. Performance is another area where the S26 Ultra is expected to shine. Samsung is likely using the latest flagship processor, paired with plenty of RAM and storage options going all the way up to 1 TB. That means this phone should handle everything from heavy gaming to multitasking and video editing without breaking a sweat. Apps should open instantly, animations should feel smooth, and overall performance should be top tier. But of course, the biggest highlight of any Ultra device is the camera system. Samsung is continuing its push for smartphone photography dominance, and the S26 Ultra is expected to feature a massive high-resolution main sensor along with improved zoom lenses. That means sharper photos, better low-light performance, and more flexibility when shooting at different distances. Samsung's image processing and AI enhancements should also make photos look more detailed and natural straight out of the camera. Battery life is another key part of the experience. The S26 Ultra is expected to pack a large battery similar to previous Ultra models, which should comfortably last a full day of heavy use. Charging speeds may also see improvements this year, meaning less time plugged in and more time using the phone. Samsung is also doubling down on AI features with this release. The S26 Ultra is expected to include smarter on-device AI tools that help with photography, productivity, and everyday tasks. This could mean better photo editing suggestions, smarter voice tools, improved battery optimization, and more personalized user experiences. AI is clearly becoming a major focus for Samsung, and this phone seems to be built around that idea. So after this first look, the big question is the Galaxy S26 Ultra the most powerful Galaxy yet? Based on everything we've seen so far, the premium design, stunning display, flagship performance, powerful cameras, and smarter AI, it definitely looks like Samsung is pushing its Ultra lineup further than ever before. Of course, the real verdict will come after full testing, but first impressions are strong. If Samsung delivers on all these features, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could easily become one of the best smartphones of 2026.